Hi, I'm James Davey. In this short video, we're going to be looking at ways to improve our inner sense of pulse so that we always stay in time. We're going to think about vowels with a set of songs, spiritual songs. The first one is called Wade in the Water. Now, a song like this has quite a lot of offbeat rhythms to it, okay, as well as some interesting sounds that we're going to enjoy in a moment. So how do we get around offbeat rhythms? Well, to do that, we have to have a really good sense of pulse. We're going to think in time. Wade in the water, bob, 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 bob. Going on all the time, all the way through. Ready? Wade in the water. Wade in the water. Wade in the water, children. Wade in the water, children. Wade in the water. Wade in the water. God's gonna trouble the water. God's gonna trouble the water. Good. Should we go all the way through? Sometimes I feel like a motherless child. Sometimes I feel like a motherless child. Sometimes I feel like a motherless child, a long way from home. Wade. Wade in the water. Wade in the water, children. Wade in the water. God's gonna trouble the war. Sometimes wade. Wade in the water. Wade in the water, children. Sometimes I feel in the water. God's gonna trouble the water.